Hello guys, welcome to my another video tutorial. In this particular video I just want to show you a recent platform that I got registered, and based on what I've observed about the platform and the research I've also conducted, I noticed that the site has been around for so long now, and people have been earning from this particular platform. So as you all know, that what I basically do in this channel is to bring updates on various money making opportunities, and this particular video it's not going to be exceptional. So what I focus on doing here is to guide you through in making decisions on various platforms where you can invest and you get benefit from them. So in this video now I'll be showing you various steps that you need to follow to get registered on this particular platform, and also you also need to purchase some product which will be earning you daily, and also it also has a referral program where you will get to earn some commission when you refer someone who will also register for free. The registration is completely free. You can simply register for free and also earn freely, but for you to earn enough and for you to earn faster and other additional privilege for purchasing plans or purchasing products and services here, what you have to do is to make a payment, which I'll be shortly going to list out the payment plans or the purchasing plans that you need to make according to your choice, and then start up there by earning from this site. So right now I'm on my dashboard already. In the description of this video, simply click on there and it will take you straight to a page where you get to fill the form for registration and get yourself registered. And this particular version I'm using is the app version. So the site it's going to take you to the web page version when you click on the link in the description of this video. So, and also you can simply come to this place and download the app version too, because there is option for app version. When you click on me right here, you click on me, so down here you see application here, you see app download, and you can install the app for you not to be getting confused whenever you want to log into your dashboard and perform some functions. So right now, as you can see, I'm on my home right now. So you click on home here. When I click on home, it will take me to the previous page where I was. So as you can see here, I have total assets, it's 1 naira, and also the last earnings that I received, which I did recently, was 75.2 naira. And I've purchased a plan, and also I have made a withdrawal. I registered this site just yesterday, and I have also made a withdrawal today, and which I'll be showing you quickly as we proceed with this video. So right here now, when you come to this page, you click on recharge for you to make payment in order to purchase a product here, which will be earning you money on daily basis, not even daily basis, in every hour you'll be earning with the product that you purchased here. So when you click on recharge, it will bring you to this particular page. It will bring you to this particular page like this, where you have different amounts, recharge amount according to your plan or package of desire. You can simply choose any of these, and it will take you straight forward to where you are going to make payment with the account number that will be provided on this particular page. So when you are done, you will simply come to this place. Let's go back. So you simply come to, when you are done, it will reflect here your subscription plan will reflect here. So you can simply purchase that minimum plan, which is 4,000 naira, and that is actually enough to earn you money on this particular platform. So right now we'll simply click on purchase hall. When you look down here, you see a purchase hall. You click on it to take you to a page like this. So this is the product that you are going to purchase to start earning. So this, look at this guys, estimated total equipment revenue. This is total equipment revenue that you estimate when you purchase this plan. So when you finally make payment, you simply come and click on buy, or you can also read out detail about this particular solar product. So when you click on buy, it will tell you confirm. So then you follow it up and finish up the purchasing process. And when you finally purchase, it's going to reflect on your wallet that you made a purchase. And also there will be a pop-up message in your notification box, like here. You open there and see any message that enters your phone or enters through this platform to your phone. So when you finally purchase, you can come to this place and follow the process. When you follow the process, it will, when you finish up this process now, it is going to earn you 1,000 naira. When you complete the whole process, that you're going to see when you click on go to, it will earn you a bonus of 1,000 naira aside what you'll be benefiting from this platform in every hour. So guys, so when you want to check whether you've generated profit, so to claim it, you simply come to this place and click on down here. Simply come to this place and click on me. When you click on me, so click on me, it will bring it to a page like this. This particular one here is saying my device, and here is saying my wallet. This is where you'll be claiming your earnings on daily basis, and also this is where you'll be seeing your wallet balance. So, and the minimum withdrawal that is available on this platform is 1,000 naira. So immediately your money gets to 1,000 naira, you are going to withdraw it straight to your provided account. So when I click on my device, I will see the earnings that I've actually received within an hour. So this is the earning that I've received, 14 naira and 4.8 naira. So when you keep accumulating this in every hour, guys, I tell you, you are going to benefit a lot. So I can simply click on this and get my earnings, and also click on this and get my earnings. I'll receive them into my wallet. Balance, when I check my balance, you will notice that it has actually increased. This is the purchasing plan that I made with 4,000 naira, and the expiring date is on next year, which is 2023. It's going to elongate till this exact date that I purchased my plan. So this one here is daily gain. This is the daily gain, guys. So this daily gain is the free one that is available. When you register, they will give you 28,000 naira free purchase bonus that you'll be using to add up to your earnings, which will be giving you another volume of return when you keep earning daily. So this is what I've earned with this free balance that they gave me, and this is what I've gained within few moments that I got registered. I made my subscription. So right now I've already received my earnings for this particular moment. I will come back and check later. Then let me show you what I've just done. I've actually withdrawn money this in a few hours ago, so I'll quickly show you the withdrawal details that I've received. So guys, if you want to refer someone, you simply come to invite. If you want to invite someone to register through your link, which will be provided here, you simply click on invite. It will bring out this page right now. You select invite now. It will take you to a page where you're going to get your okay, this is it here. You simply click on this little icon here and copy your referral code and share it anywhere you want to share it, or to anyone you want to share. So you'll be receiving 5% return if anyone on your first level of referral gets purchased of a product. When the person purchases a product, you're going to get 5% of the amount that they use to buy. So when level 2 purchases, you are going to get also 2%. Anyone that registers under your level 1 referral, so you're going to get 2%, while direct referral is 5%. As you can see, you can simply come to this place and read up the rule of activity. So these are things that you'll be doing here and you'll be earning, guys. So do not joke with this particular platform. It's actually one of the sound platforms that I would solidly recommend to anyone, and if you would mind, you can join. Let's make money from this particular site, guys. So here also you see withdrawal. When you click on withdrawal, you get your bank details modified. So you can attach your bank details here and the amount you want to withdraw, and you can still edit the one you've attached before, and the minimum amount you can withdraw within this range within this platform is 1,000 naira, and withdrawal time takes 24 hours a day. It takes 24 hours a day. Within 24 hours you will receive your money immediately you place withdrawal. So when I click on let me show you the record of the withdrawal that I just placed recently. So this is the money. I actually tested this to know how it works, and my first earning that I made, I actually placed a withdrawal and it went successfully, though I'm yet to receive it in my bank balance. Maybe it's due to network or something else, something like that. If I wait for some hours and I couldn't, after 24 hours and I couldn't receive it in my bank, I'm going to request, I'm going to detail it to their customer service. As you can see, this is their customer service icon, where you click and it will take you to the place where you talk to the customer or chat with the person on WhatsApp or on Telegram. I actually have the customer service that is personally given. When you register, they will share customer services to everyone that got registered, and those people are the ones that will be attending to you. So these are the things that you are expected to be making out of this platform when you get registered and take it serious, guys. So subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also don't forget to comment if there is a question you would like to ask about this platform, and also you can still go through the other earning opportunity that I've made a video on, and while you do that, you get to know various ways you can earn money. And also there are free sites that I've actually talked about, where you don't need to invest anything, just to simply take some tax daily and accumulate your earnings, and while it matures and get to the minimum withdrawal expectation, you can get it withdrawn into your wallet or your bank account. So thanks for watching, guys. See you next.